to HomeLab Networks. My name is AJ, and I'm going to show you how to create a new root user using Kali Linux. To create a new user with root privileges, we need to put the command sudo for root access, sudo add user, and then put in a brand new username. HomeLab Networks 225. Put a new password for this new user. In a name. Y for yes. Once a new user is created, we'll add this user to the group, and we'll do that by using the command sudo usermod -a -G sudo and then the user's new username. Can't spell. So the second last command, we need to specify the shell to the new user account, and we do this by sudo chsh-bin/zsh and then the username. We'll log out of this account and see if it worked. There we go. And there we go, HomeLab Networks 225. Who am I? Beautiful. As basic as this video is, I just wanted to make a quick video on how to make a root user in Linux on Kali. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.